Hi guys, in 24 hours I am leaving. In 24 hours I am leaving. In 24 hours I am leaving for uni. I have a lot to pack, as you guys can see. Just classic Dave, you know, just not managing his time well. But anyways, I haven't done a Q&A in a while. My hair is clapped, I know. Sorry. And it's very hot because I can't switch on the AC because sound quality. See how much I do for you guys? We have a lot to do. We have a lot of clothes to put, but I'm also going to answer some questions that you guys have posed on me. I have not shaved because I will shave tomorrow and I'll look nice and clean at the airport. I don't know why for the airport I want to look good, but you know what? Who cares? You live once. That's the worst justification I could have given. I have a lot to pack. My mom has given all the medications instructions. There's a lot that goes into packing. Up till 1 month ago, I was like, packing? That I do like 10 minutes before the trip, bro. Like if we go to like a hill station nearby, I pack when I wake up and then I dip. But no, there's a lot to pack. So I'm going to be answering some questions and pack at the same time. Alright? Let's go. Alright, let's go for the first question. What's your skincare routine? Dove soap? I don't use anything. I used to use my shampoo on my face, but I was advised by a certain person to not do that. Actually by many certain people, but now I use some soap, if that's cool. When are you gonna leak your nudes? Yeah, next question. What is the last show you watched? I am watching Game of Thrones. So exciting, so dark. I can't sleep some nights because of how dark it is, but yeah. You know the vibes.
What you know about rolling?
I guess I'm very late to watching Game of Thrones. I guess everyone's watched it by now. Rate in the order of Bond with friends like Tanisho. I don't know why people say her name as Tanisho. Tanisha, Tarani, Aggie and Arch. I would say Agastya, Tanisho, Archit, Tarani. The thing is, I stay very far away from Tanisha, Archit and Tarani. So I only meet Agastya most of the time. But Tanisha and I have known each other since a very long time before I knew Archit and Tarani. And right now, I have my close friends and I'm happy with that, you know. Looks like I'm a very social person, but I actually am not. Actually, I am. It depends on the situation. What's your name? Kama Sutra. How many days are left for you to leave India? I am leaving in 1 day. I guess while this will be posted because of my stupid procrastination, I will post this by the time I have finished 1 year in uni. But okay. How did you learn to edit? Okay, I get this question a lot. Firstly, I use Final Cut Pro. I used to use iMovie a lot, but then I'm like, let's switch it up. But I learned to edit purely from YouTube. All you have to do is search because you see in YouTube videos how other YouTubers edit, so you just search like how they did it, you know, like those type of edits. How did you do well in physics? I actually worked really hard, very hard and tirelessly, and then I worked very hard for the exams, you know, the exams that were so present, the exams that actually came and the exams that we all had to give. No, COVID happened, so I just got marks that the board gave me. But I did work hard on my assignments and everything in school, so I guess they saw that and they're like, okay. It's funny because in my actual exams I didn't do that well, but in my assignments, like, you know, like research papers and all, I pour my heart out because I like doing that shit, you know. I guess they said, okay, this guy's good, let's give him some full marks. Have you ever masturbate? Have I ever masturbate? Who knows? Next question. What's included in your workout routine? Okay. So I started athletics. It's very funny. So in 7th grade, I had this crush on this girl and she used to do athletics. It was actually Tata from all my videos. And she used to do athletics and she used to have this practice after school, but then the sir started doing it before school on the beach. So I was like, oh shit, I can't see her. So I joined athletics and then I stopped having a crush on her and whatever. But I did athletics for a good 4 years and that's where my legs are from, and since then I've never been to a gym. I don't like the idea of a gym. Actually I do, but I can never get myself, you know, to go the extra mile to go there. I have been doing home workouts every day for the past 1.5 years, and it's pretty good. I don't do weights that much. I do like 3 kg weights, but I don't need that type of buff body or whatever other good body that people are trying to achieve, but I'm happy with my body and I just like to maintain it. And I eat a lot of eggs because my dadi makes this sexy egg with bread and I just keep having that. Okay, where do you live in India? Mumbai? Not anymore. I'm just kidding. I'll come back. I don't like America that much. What are your thoughts on long distance relationships? If you want to do it and if you feel like your I feel like we are at the age where it's not that possible and we want to explore other things and, you know, just enjoy life a bit, because it can be constricting sometimes. But it's all about perspective, you know, like some people are like madly in love and they don't see anyone else but their partner, and that's fine. Just most of our generation's quite screwed up and doesn't give a shit about life and people and only cares about themselves. So if you are in the headspace and love your partner endlessly at this age, amazing for you. It's very rare to find that. Hold on to that shit, but take a break sometimes, you know. I don't want to get it. I'm not some love guru or anything. I'm not trying to give any. What's your zodiac sign? I think I'm a cusp. I don't know if I've answered these questions in my previous Q&A, but who cares? You know, I do repetitive content. Many YouTubers do, so let's do that. What's your zodiac sign? I think I'm a cusp between Sagittarius and Scorpio, but I don't personally believe in that. But who knows? Sometimes I believe in it. You know, when I see that once in a while Instagram post that relates to me, I'm like, oh shit, that's me. But you know what I'm saying. What's your name? What? Okay. Are you going to continue vlogging in... Yes, I'm actually going to New York for a week. So I'm going to vlog the shit out of New York and I'm going to vlog the shit out of LA too. And y'all are going to be seeing a lot of content from both sides. Is consistency key? It depends on your motive, you know. Like some people, I feel like it's a very toxic trait to make consistency key, like in your mind. I feel like it should come, if you want to do this completely, it should come out like voluntarily. It shouldn't be like, oh shit, mujhe aaj video post karna hai. Like for me, it used to be like, oh shit, so much work, because I used to make content that the audience likes, because I wanted views and all that. But then I got like, then a big thing happened and I was down mentally very badly. But like, I came out of that and being like, you know what, I wanted to just do what I want. And whenever I did what I want, consistency just happened, because I love putting out content that I like myself too, you know. Except on YouTube. I don't know what the consistency scene is with there, but ho jayega bro, ho jayega. How was your day? Thank you for asking. My day was incredibly awesome. I met people that I'm not going to meet for a while. Was a little emotional. I spent time with my family. It was a good day. Thank you for asking, man. What inspired you to make videos? I don't know actually. Actually, it might seem shitty that all my shit's driven by women, but but in 7th grade there was this guy in my class, and he used to make YouTube videos and all the girls used to like talk to him and all. So I was like, you know what, let's try this, because I had no friends at least, and I was aiming for high. Okay, let's go talk to girls. But I made a YouTube video and I made a best friend from that, because she approached me saying my video was very funny, which I didn't think she meant. But then again, our humor at that time was very bad. So I guess she found it funny, and now we're best friends. Say hello to Vrinda. She's not here. I'll just put a picture of her. What's the update about your mental health? Is it in a good state, bro? To be honest, I have my lows and it keeps increasing sometimes. It depends on like what I'm thinking about, and I overthink a lot. That's why y'all see me as this kind of screw it attitude online, because usually I don't let shit get to me, but for the people I care about, it does affect me quite a lot. So sometimes I'm damn low. But that's the thing, like content is my vice. So I start making content and I'm in a good space. Even music, like I start making music. Like tonight I'm in a good space. It was a little emotional, so I started making this video, and after that I'm gonna finish a song and put it out. I'm very excited. Wait, what is the question? I'm in a good place. Thank you for asking. How are you? Are y'all doing well? If y'all aren't doing well, take your own space, bro. No one's gonna enforce anything on you. You can take your time. Time is very important when it comes to mental health. You can't just get... Maybe you can. Like for me, if something bothers me, I just click out of it, distract myself, forget about it. Can be bad sometimes because it all comes piling up later, but you know what I mean. Yeah, bro. Give me 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay. More music when? I'm putting on a song soon, and I'm very excited for it. How tall are you? I am actually 2 feet tall. Why not me? I don't know you. When are you going? In a day. How to ignore people? It's an art, because usually like what I've seen with people around me and like our generation, and like we do give a lot of a shit even when we don't show it, and it's very hard to ignore things that people say. So I guess just it's very important to love yourself. That's the most important part. Love yourself and then everything will be fine. Like put yourself above everyone, and as long as you know you're happy, done, bro. You're sorted, bro. Don't give a shit about anyone, bro. Your first crush. Let me remember her name, bro. I think it was Tanya. It was first grade or something. Yeah, something like that. Why did you get a haircut? Because I wanted to grow nicely in LA, and LA is very expensive, so I don't want to get a haircut in LA, so I'm just gonna learn how to cut my own hair, but I just got a haircut. And it grows well, trust me. I loved everything about like lockdown when it comes to content-wise, how it helped me grow, but I hated that I can't meet you guys. And maybe when I come back in December, I will, and things are better, I will meet you guys. And by the way, when I go out, like, I do meet some of y'all and it's the best feeling ever, trust me. Like, I went to a hill station that day and a girl noticed me. I'm like, what? But yeah, I just love meeting you guys, so I can't wait for when I meet all of you guys. And last question, do you secretly like Tanisha? Don't lie, God is seeing you. Yeah, I don't. Never liked her. Usually, I get close to girls and maybe I do have something, but I've never had a thing for Tanisha. Never had a thing for Vrinda. And yeah, whoever's closest to me, I've never had a thing for, because usually I just distance myself from them, but whichever girl is close to me, yeah, whatever. Anyways, thank you for watching. The next video will be me in New York, and I can't wait. I love you guys. Bye-bye. I have just realized that I haven't packed at all, so this title makes no sense, but oh shit. Anyways, see you guys.